Okay, so I haven't really done anything interesting except my wife and I, we've been riding these motorcycles. My God, we put a couple hundred miles a day on. Today we only put like 97. I did do a thing. I had this, my wife doesn't like a windshield bag on her windshield, so I took it off and I mounted it right here in my, this is my trunk, and I mounted it. Can't tell, can't see, can you? I did that. I drilled the hole in the front. It's covered by that. And the reason, I have another one. I'm going to do the same on the back. It's a smaller one, and I'm going to carry my pistol and this one back here. And this I have for tools. This is an air pump. These touring bikes have air shocks on them. And according to your weight and how much gear you have on the bike is how much air you put in the air shocks. And for me and my weight with nothing, I put 10 pounds of air, which, you know, they say between 5 and 12. So I put 10 pounds and I keep it in here. And this bike, I keep an air gauge in there. And you know, I keep a couple of rags in here for gas spills and stuff like that, checking your oil. But I decided to put together a little mini toolkit just for things that you just gonna absolutely have to at some point have. I had a couple of screwdrivers I put in that thing, and then your basic wrenches, you know, 9/16, 11/16, 3/4, 5/8, just your basic, you know, toolkit. And since everything's got Allen wrench or Torx, now I did not have any Torx that I could put in there somewhere, and I think it's in my gator, and my gator is still underneath that carport that fell in. And what I have is this cluster of Torx that I was going to put in here, but now, I'm not a big, I don't have to have everything, you know, with Harley's name on it. I don't own a Harley t-shirt. I'm not that guy. But while we were at Harley today looking at a new seat for my wife, Harley has got this little toolkit that's got everything you need. Phillips. It's got the, I think that's a 1/2 inch. And it's got the Torx that you need. Oh, come on, I'm gonna need 2 hands. Let me open this up. Yeah, okay. Got the hex heads that you'll use. It's got the Torx. There's another Torx. Straight blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Yeah, that's everything you need. So, plus a couple of wrenches. And the wrenches have 3/8, 1/2 inch, 10 millimeter. So you can do any little minor repair. What, hon? Okay, I'll be right there. Okay, I gotta go. My wife said I can't play anymore. Okay, let me tell you one more thing. I went to Harley. I was looking at some boots. You know, you need comfortable but safe footwear on a bike. You need to have things on to protect yourself from road rash. Should the worst happen. So I was looking at some boots at Harley, and they were $160. And let me tell you, they were absolute junk. They were really junk. Paper thin leather. Matter of fact, they felt like vinyl. Really thin sole. It wouldn't have lasted long at all. So for just a couple dollars more, I went over to Redwing and I bought me some Redwing boots. These are not steel-toed. For just a few dollars more, and these will last me till I am dead. They will bury me in these boots because I've had red wings before. One set of red wings lasted about 20 years, the next set about 10 years. And I ended up throwing that last set away because I got some chemical on them in the oil field, and they stunk so bad I couldn't bear the stink anymore. And there was no getting it off. Okay, so I'm taking that out and putting this in. And I just saved myself a whole bunch of room, plus gave myself the torques that I'll need. My wife says I need to get out more. I got a soda out of this machine the other day.
Oh, good Lord, they've been around forever. Where have you been?
So cool.
Oh, come on. You really do need to get out.
And then wait, it opens automatically.
Well, now that I haven't seen before.